Well, life before the PMP was that I was in severe pain, and I am still in severe pain. Some days I'm not. It varies. But before I came to the group as well, I was suffering from depression and anxiety. I still am a little bit, but I thought about coming to this group, and I was invited to come, and I came to the first session, and I was a bit apprehensive at one stage, but once I was here I felt comfortable, and the course went on, and I think, this will probably be all right. I came to the second one and I felt really comfortable, and I didn't feel sort of anxious of being with other people. I was sort of withdrawn in myself anyway, and to meeting other people I thought I'd be a bit embarrassed, or I wouldn't speak out. But once I sat down and I was in the group, and the people that were taking the group made you feel comfortable anyway, so don't be frightened of coming, please, because it does help. It's not physical, it's in your head. You learn to, you never stop the pain, but if you can control it and have a different mind focus on your illness, then it does help. Because if you just sit and mopes, your pain's not going to get any better, it's going to get worse. So if you try and think, I know it's hard, try and think that you can do it a little bit, then do it. It will help. The difference was with depression and anxiety, my moods were up and down, and it caused a bit of friction between me and my wife, Sue. But she was very good, and she understood. She was very, very patient, because I don't think I could have been so patient. But life wasn't all that good. So that's the reason that I came to this group. Life has changed because I can relate to my illness, whereas before I couldn't. I'm not half depressed. I'm a little bit anxious sometimes. It all depends, what's cracking off around me. Me and the wife get on great now. We don't have any. Well, we do have the odd row. Everybody has a row, but we don't bicker at each other. And she says she's seen a difference in me. Tips I've learned is not to dwell on your pain. The more you dwell, the more you'll get depressed and anxious. So try and not. I know it's going to be hard, but try and focus on your illness, and try and do a little bit. The mindfulness it's helped me to cope, to just block everything out for a short while, and then come back into reality, and it's helped me.